You will see in a few minutes he does what he does best. And inshallah, I pray to Allah that He grant him success, and our rovers who are sitting here can learn and be inspired. The Abdul Rashids who are here, can you stand up? Brother, this brother, I met him in Dubai one day when I was giving a lecture. Again, we have a way of dealing with the youth that they listen to us. He asked a question and he kept on speaking and speaking and speaking and speaking. Have you seen that video? This is the brother. Now when we went to Uganda, it's his place. He was here. I was happy to see him. You can have a seat. If you want to catch the young, you must be straight to the point in the most respectful way. My brother, let's go for it. Bismillah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I didn't hear anything. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes. I request from the brothers to please turn on the lights in the venue. I wanted to see the people. The flashlights are blinding me. I did not fly all the way from Perth, Australia.
One of the crew in London, I said, brother, the intro should not be more than 3 seconds. He told me, he said that this is television, it needs to be half a minute at least. I said, no, the age has changed. My children who I love and I talk to, in 3 seconds they already flick the TikTok. You missed them. Wallahi, you missed them. In 3 seconds, you missed them completely. So I have to come to the stage to say, let's lighten up a little bit, my brother. Lighten up a little bit. Talk to the young. We want... Brother Wael Ibrahim is a he is an expert who deals with pornographic addictions. They used to call him porn star, but that's wrong. He's actually a pornologist, which means those who are addicted to pornography, and it is a silent killer. Many people, they are very good people, but they have a dark addiction. They are lovely. We love you. We just want to help you. Nothing else. We need to talk about these things. So I decided I'm going to tell him from Perth, Australia, brother, please come. We want you. Talk to the people, but don't talk for 15 minutes. I must acknowledge the whole. Wallahi, if that's the case.
وأستغفر الله لي ولكم وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وآله وصحبه وسلم تسليما كثيرا. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity tonight to be with you. جزاكم الله خيرا وبارك الله فيكم.
Thank you very much, Sheikh Muhammad Salah. Thank you very much, my brothers and my sisters. It has been quite a wonderful session from brother and the Sheikh, Dr. Muhammad Salah. Those who follow him on social media, you know that he does his preaching on social media. But Sheikh is a little bit engaged. He has some obligation somewhere. He's also going for another lecture. So
don't show me hands, but just reflect with me. How many people would delay their prayers because they have a business meeting? Reflect. How many people will be in the marketplace, in the shopping center, buying food, buying drinks, buying whatever, and you heard the notification, Salah time, and you ignore it. He says, inshallah, we'll go home, inshallah, we'll go buying, and no problem. So we made
everything you desire in life. For there is not enough. Nothing in life is enough. For I've been blessed, I can drive all the cars I want, I can live in the houses I live, I can travel anywhere I want, but what is enough? Many have seen me giving out 500 million here, 200 million here, but
festival ye Kampala. Era abantu banyumirwa nnyo ne bagamba bategese ekivulu katugenda kyonyumirwemuko bannange mwakisula mugulu kaki ekyatuukawo
ekivulu ki ekya carnival.
Let me take this opportunity to introduce Mufti Menk.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahi walhamdulillahi wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillahi wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. I want to welcome my brother Dr. Muhammad Salah back on the stage. He had a live session where he was teaching a lesson to people across the world, and it was at 8:30. He went, it was an hour, and now he's back. So you are welcome. Protocols observed. I want to also welcome the High Commissioner of Nigeria. The reason is, I met him yesterday. And you know what? It's not fair. We welcomed everyone else, but we said we are going to miss you. No, my brother, we will never miss you. We are also Nigerians, by the way.
That's the world and everything in it. Everyone knows I'm a successful Muslim man today, for a fact. And I can authoritatively tell you for a fact that human survival is limited to a narrow scope of basic needs. I'm made with the ability to buy 10 cars, but how many cars can you drive at a time? Ham lives in a very big mansion, 11 acres, but I only stay in one room. So how much is enough? Allah has granted me the opportunity to hold all I have, and I can authoritatively say I am indeed blessed. But it is also a realistic fact that my fellow Muslim brothers and all Ugandans at large should change their mindset and believe in the fact that they can actually make it. If farmers made it, you can equally make it. I'm talking about success. Our delegates, because for as long as we live, survival is a constant factor. And with survival comes a need for finances. So finances play a very big role in whatever we do. And if we don't change our mindsets, we shall be limited to negativity, for success is a positive element. Majority have asked me that what do you think our existence as people in this world is evident enough that Allah exists? We shouldn't be followers, but rather